afternoon, everyone. So I totally forgot that it was going live. I was just getting comfortable. It is Friday, February 4th, and we are going to be looking at this, whoops, wrong side, wild roller coaster of Bitcoin. Also check out new XRP tape for XRP coins. Pretty awesome. My buddy Taz over in our Crypto Tunities room over at thedarkpools.com, he gave me this awesome link, so I'm not going to share it with anyone. I will show it to you, but I am not going to share it because it is his. He shared it with me, so you got to come to our Crypto Tunities room if you like it. So let's get started. Let's pull up the charts. And you know what? I am a little out of my game right now. Let me pull up the chat on the other computer. All right. Get the chat going over here. Make sure that it's all muted so that I don't hear myself or create any feedback for you. Let's see what's going on. And it's still a little chilly. We've got snowstorm up here, received about 6 inches of snow and was a little wild and crazy this morning. Woke up to the snow plows at 4:45 this morning. All right. So let me get this set up. I forgot to open that. Okay. And let's open it up and get the chat going. Who is it going to be first today? Terry? Who's first on the list? Let's see. And it is... Dun, dun, dun. Have you guys noticed the internet being a little slow? I feel like it was a little slow today. All right, it's Andy today. Good morning, Andy. Or good afternoon, excuse me. It is 12:45. So I do have the SPY up. So you guys here, I'm going to start off with the cool XRP little tape, right? Look at this. Very, very cool stuff. Let me do this really quickly. Right there. All right, so it's got these cool audibles so that you can hear in the background, hey, is it going up? Is it going down? The chart itself is a 10-second chart. You could change it to 1 minute, 5 seconds, how often you want it to update. And this is utilizing, I want to say it's 14 different, there we go, 24 different markets that it is utilizing for the data. And what is cool is, I want this to go away, go away. So down here, I have the really big prints. So 238, 374 coins, right? 238,000, because I started noticing on the chart over here on the daily chart for XRP that in fact, we have a lot of volume that is coming into it right now. Also, I'm going to tell you guys I will be doing a very cool NFT workshop, NFT metaverse workshop that will be happening February 26th. So I am not going to, I don't have the link today, but I will be posting it up next week for you guys. So if you are interested in doing a metaverse, NFT, Stellar, Network, all the good stuff likely to come in this new digital world that we are moving forward, it will be down below in the description as of Monday, the 7th of February. All right, so we do have the SPY here. Let's look at XRP. So when we're looking at XRP, we got really curious. We have this on, here's our weekly chart. Let's put this on the daily over here. You can see what I have overtaken. If we can break above the high of last week, 65 cents, I have a feeling we are going to see this really move to the upside. So I started getting curious. I started noticing last night, look at all these spikes, right? When I turn on the volume, here we have 4 million for that day. This day we have 3.9 million. We have 4.7 million. This is just on Kraken, right? There are different platforms. We have 7 million this day. We have 5 million this day. So I thought, well, let me go and see, right? Because there's more than just Kraken, obviously. XRP Binance. I believe this is the heaviest volume exchange for XRP. Right here we have 1.3 billion, okay? That's December 3rd. It's not even the 1st, right? Every beginning of the month, they release out another billion coins. Then we come over here, we start looking at it, we see 415 million. All right, this is the 20th of January, 612 million. We have 769 million. We have 513 million, 466 million. A lot of high volume is happening, and now we're starting to see, hey, obviously as we move up, we're seeing more volume come into it on our 24-hour chart. Let's look at it on a 4-hour chart to see the movement, right? So right here, back at 3 a.m., 250 million, right? Also 152 million, 135 million, right? 76 million. So this is really tracking all of the markets, the 24 markets that it is trading on. So it's very, very cool tool to be able to see the overall flow of the money, to see if that is happening, if money is pouring in or pouring out with that volume, which it will show you. It's really cool. Are these trades that are happening with money flowing out or in? All right, so let's go back to the market. I wanted to talk about that. Let's look at the SPY for today. It's here. And I did want to have it on the weekly chart to show you guys that we've hit this 24 EMA and we rejected it. We also came up and tested this box of consolidation that we started setting up back in October, right? So on the weekly, we are below all of this volume. We did have a nice bounce off of, this is going to be my anchored volume weighted average price from 1 year ago. All right, so we did bounce off of that and we're moving up. We are up above last week's candle, which had super crazy high volume. However, we are below the moving averages on the weekly chart. This is an indication that we could see this move down a bit further. All right, guys, I am going to have to put this on pause. I do have a phone call coming in, and I will just keep your eyes peeled. If we close down below 444, I think we're likely going to see the market turn down. All right, guys, have an amazing weekend. Very short live stream.